How to deactivate your Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you guys how to do this in this video. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you should come and open your Instagram. Then it will open directly on your homepage as you can see right now. So I will come to my profile, and after this I have to click on these 3 points right here. After this, go and open settings and privacy and go to account center. Click on it, and right now you have to come and click on account, not account, personal detail. Then here click on account ownership and control, and click deactivation or deletion, and choose, for example, it's my Instagram because my Instagram is linked with my Facebook. I want to deactivate. I will choose this and click continue. And that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another